This is a 1969 Plymouth Barracuda Coupe. Now, you don't often see the coupe models. Gold exterior, black vinyl top, a 340 under the hood, so the owner tells me, with torque flight automatic. The interior looks just like brand new, matching the exterior color. Got a console with the torque flight there. And this car has original air conditioning. We've got a tack there mounted to the column. There you see the AC there mounted under the dash. And that's an original factory unit. Chrome is in nice shape too. Now we're going around to the other side of the car. Notice the fake vents there on the hood. And we get another look inside the car. Very nice.